Hey y'all, Chef Irix guy here, and a lot of y'all ask me, hey man, how much smoke does the Pit Boss electric smoker put out? Well, there you can see, this is it's smoking really good. It's got, I've got a box full of hickory, smoking some chicken thighs wrapped in bacon. Look at that. So that smoker box is full, and that is how much smoke is coming out. So it does a really good job. You know, people have also asked, you know, how long does the Pit Boss, you know, a full box of chips, how long does it last? I mean, I don't know. I mean, the peak smoke, I found it maybe last a couple hours, but sometimes even after a couple hours, I've still had some pretty good sized chips that weren't completely burned up. So there you go. If you're looking for the Pit Boss like I got, expand this video's description and then click the link there. And also I've linked the temperature probe that I use for it. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.